got a couple of different boxes here, and then I'm going to be opening some other stuff behind there. So let's get into it. I'm going to start off, got two boxes. These are both retail boxes of soccer cards. I picked these up at I picked these up at Amazon. So, got these online. Pretty good deal. Both of them come with one autograph per box. So, let's start with 2016. Then do 2017. And then after that, I got some other things I'm going to be showing. This is more like a vlog style video, and plus a box break of some stuff that maybe I didn't want to have to do a whole box for. So hopefully get something cool out of here. Let's just open up all the packs. I don't see very many other people do where they open up all the packs, but sometimes it makes it a lot more convenient. Pretty much the only people who ever do it like this are when you watch the group break type people. So yeah, these were a pretty good value. They were, I think, about 14, 15 bucks. They come with the one guaranteed auto. And I never see these at actual retail stores anymore. I bought one of them and got a pretty sweet auto in the past, which I'll link to up in the corner if I remember. Oftentimes I say that, and then when I go to post the video, I forgot that I said that, and then I forget to actually put the link in the corner thing. So, yeah, so 2016, 2017. I like that they guarantee an auto, and let's see if we can get a numbered card as well. Hopefully the sound is not bad. Okay, so 2016 Topps MLS. I don't remember having one of these before. Maybe I only had the 2017. These are pretty cool. Let's see what the back looks like. So they got the statistics, which is cool. Is that a hit? No. Okay. Backwards card. Let me separate that for some reason. Ooh, nice. Dual looking thingamajigger. Ooh, there's a numbered card. The signing of the autograph is witnessed by Topps representative to guarantee authenticity, David Osted, goalkeeper. That is a nice looking card. Vancouver Whitecaps, numbered 350. Sweet. It's a sticker autograph, but still good, in my opinion. I want to see some more numbers, or some foil or something. What are you, kick? I'm going to kick you, card. See, I got an autograph of him out of that box. Not that box exactly, but a different box. So, little base cards are pretty cool. You know, I could have gotten some. I might have gotten the greatest people. You know, like I said it before. You know, I like watching, or I like opening these boxes, and I like that. But I'm not really much of a soccer fan. I mean, I watch it, but I don't really know much about it. But I still think I like opening the cards. I am just a card fan. So this is 8 packs in here again. And 1 autograph. And I like how the autograph's just in the box. You know, when you get some of their Walking Dead stuff, they always, and Star Wars, Topps always puts the hits in a separate pack. I'm gonna open up these one at a time. Because why not? That's how everyone else does it. These are good looking packs, or cards. I like these a lot better. So what do you think? Is that numbered? We got a numbered card. 91 out of 99. Diego Valeri from Portland. I wonder if did I get any number cards out of this one that I just didn't notice? There. That card's numbered to 99. I did not notice that card was numbered. Any of the others? I wonder if anybody noticed and didn't. It was probably commenting already. Hey, you missed a numbered card. Yep, I did miss a numbered card. So, okay, on to the next pack. But that was a lot easier to spot that being blue than that being blue. Cool. Insert. I think the auto's going to be in here. Numbered to 35. Evan Bush from Montreal football. Montreal Impact. Another goalkeeper. Look at that one. That was numbered to 35. That's sweet. Short print. So, yeah, I like these cards. They're fun to open. I might even try to put the set together. See, that's pretty cool. Got the 87 style. Not that they ever made soccer cards in 1987. Or there was a Major League Soccer in 1987 they were making cards of. Oh, Mo, what is that? 1 of 1? 1 of 1 give and go? What is that? Why is that a 1 of 1? Oh man, what are the odds of getting a 1 of 1 give and go? Give and go inserts. Well, I guess that would have to be a black. 1 in 7,294. Oh, wow. I tell you, these boxes are fun to open. They are fun boxes to open. 1 of 1. 1 of 1. That's my first 1 of 1 card of a soccer card. Oh shoot, that is sick. So let's do a little recap. So I guess that's technically the back, right? So got a 1 of 1. Give and go insert Thomas McNamara, New York, and Jack Harrison, 1 of 1. Wow. Then a number to 35 autograph, Evan Bush for Montreal Impact, 20 of 35. Numbered Luis Robles, numbered 65 of 99, goalkeeper for New York. Diego Valeri, goalkeeper for Portland. Or midfielder for Portland, 91/99. Midfielder. And then autograph, David Ousted, Vancouver Whitecaps, numbered to 350. That's the highest numbered out of all the numbered. That was some great cards out of that. I'm a fan. Like I said, I like that. So, like I said, I showed some other things that I'm going to be opening. Ooh. I showed some other things I'm going to be opening, and if you've ever ordered or bought vinyl records online, you will know that's what these packagings are. They're not anything really that special, but I got them on Amazon at a really good deal. I love getting brand new sealed vinyl for less than $10 or right around there. This is one that I've been wanting to pick up for a while. Changes one Bowie. Dang it, can't get the whole thing in picture. This is the 40th anniversary edition of the classic compilation 180 gram vinyl. So the songs it's got on it. I already have a copy of Changes 2 Bowie, an original, but been wanting to get Changes 1 Bowie. Greatest hits, first greatest hits. Changes 2 is the second greatest hits. This is they don't ever open as easy as they should. And this one I'm not really that familiar with. I'm going to give it a chance. I know the band, but I've never listened to this particular album. This is Five Finger Death Punch. Got Your Six. It's a pretty great deal. It's a double vinyl. There's the songs that it's got. So looking forward to cracking that open and listening to that. It's one thing, I never leave these sealed. I always open them up and listen to them. So, and then I wanted to show one other thing. I've never really showed much about my computer. As you can see, this is a Noctua cooler. It's called a Chromax by Noctua. And as you can see, this is it's an AMD Ryzen computer. This is in an NZXT case, custom built. I built this with parts that I picked up at Fry's Electronics when I was in my trip into Portland last year. And it's got a GTX 1070 graphics card and 16 gigabytes of Corsair DDR4 memory, an MSI motherboard, AMD Ryzen 5 1600. It's got a 1 terabyte SSD there. That's a Samsung 850. And then there's you can't really see it, there's an M.2 NVMe one in there. And yeah, was running the stock cooler up until today, but decided to get an upgrade, and the upgraded cooler was this Noctua cooler, a NHU12S SEAM4, which has got a 120 millimeter fan. But then I replaced it with the Chromax Black Swap, which changes the fan from the stock brown, nasty Noctua colors. Well, nasty is, opinion, but in my opinion, kind of nasty, with the black one, and then you can change the color. So this has got some red on it, and then the Chromax heatsink cover, which is, well, it's just a cover over the heatsink, and then you can put that red part in the middle. So it kind of matches. I got the kind of lighting up on the top, and the lighting there, and then the motherboard itself lights up. You're going to see the back lighting there too. And anyway, I just wanted to kind of show that off a little bit. I hope this wasn't the most boring video in the whole world, but I still did get some pretty sweet cards. Do you believe that? It's a 1 of 1. I have never pulled a 1 of 1 soccer card, and that's technically the second 1 of 1 I pulled out of a retail. Well, thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for some more videos. And okay, yeah, and let me know what you think about these videos. I know these are kind of weird, but yeah, let me know, because what you think about these, where I show records and stuff. And I know not everybody's interested in all the different things, but I like a lot of different things. So let me know what you think of these videos. Thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for more. And I'll probably be making more like this, whether you like these or not, because I think they're fun. So there you go. Thanks for watching.